In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Substack. This has become much more flexible. Thanks to Substack's evolving design and branding features for this, whether you're just starting out or already running a growing newsletter, customizing your Substack helps create a memorable experience for your readers and makes your publication feel more professional and personal. To begin with, after logging into your Substack dashboard, head over to your Settings tab. From there, go to Publication Settings, where you'll be able to update the name of your publication, the description, and the welcome message new subscribers receive. This is your chance to set the tone and give your audience a clear idea of what your newsletter is about. The next key step is personalizing the appearance. Go to the Design section, which allows you to customize your logo, publication icon, favicon, and color theme. Substack provides basic templates, but you can now upload your own branding assets to match your visual identity. For example, you can add a banner image, choose between serif or sans serif fonts, and select a color palette that reflects your brand. You'll also have control over light and dark mode styling, allowing you to optimize how your publication appears on different devices. Substack also supports custom domains. So if you want your newsletter to appear under a domain like yourname.com instead of yourname.substack.com, you can set this up through the Domains option in your settings. You'll need to update your DNS records from your domain registrar, and Substack provides detailed instructions for that. In 2025, a big improvement is the custom homepage layout. You can now rearrange sections like featured posts, archives, podcasts, embeds, and categories if you're using tags. If you're publishing in multiple formats like video, audio, or blog-style articles, this flexibility is a big plus. You can also pin posts, display subscription prompts more prominently, and customize the way free versus paid content is previewed. Substack also lets you customize your email layout. You can modify how your emails appear to subscribers, whether they include full posts or summaries, and how links and images are styled in email previews. This is especially useful if you want to track engagement or drive traffic back to your Substack site rather than having people read everything inside their inbox. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.